Are you making a recipe that calls for caster sugar and having trouble finding it? We'll show you how to make an easy and cost-effective substitute. You can make caster sugar using a blender or food processor. Simply add in granulated sugar. Use this substitute on a 1-to-1 ratio. If your recipe calls for a cup of caster sugar, use a cup of granulated sugar. Pulse a few times until the consistency is super fine but not powdery. Sometimes a powdery cloud forms when you blend the sugar. Wait for a minute before removing the top. Caster sugar is used in many recipes, particularly in British baking. It incorporates into food more quickly than granulated sugar. In some countries, it's known as superfine sugar. In North America, caster sugar isn't usually carried in grocery stores, and when available, it's expensive. That's why this trick is so handy.